Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through another episode of my February Be My Valentines series, meant to encourage our friends and families to join us on the mat in order to get active and healthy. Today we have a leg workout for you. If you're ready to do something new, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into our starting position. For our first move, we have jogging in place. We're going to move nice and light on our feet. We're gonna get our hands involved, and we're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock. We're gonna get started. Let's go ahead and begin. We're moving nice and light on our feet, getting those arms involved. We're keeping our head and our chest up, and we're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Focus on your breath. We're getting our heart rate up here. We have a couple of seconds left in this move, and we're gonna go ahead and be taking a 15-second rest. Great job. Go ahead and take a little break. I'll show you what we're doing next. Next up, we're moving over to fast feet. We're gonna stand nice and straight, and we're gonna move nice and fast with our feet. We're gonna get those hands moving. Let's go ahead and begin. We're moving nice and fast. Fast feet here, all in the same place. We're just moving hot feet. Continue to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And move those feet as fast as you can. You got this. We have a couple of seconds left here. We'll be taking another 15-second rest. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take a little breather. We have 15 seconds of rest, and we're moving over to squat jumps. For this exercise, we're gonna come down into a nice deep squat, and we're gonna jump up, landing nice and soft on our knees. Let's go ahead and begin. Exhale through your mouth to jump. Inhale, breathing in through your nose. And repeat. Exhale, inhale. Nice and soft on our feet. Back knees as we land. Breathing in through our nose. Keeping our head and our chest up. And if we need a variation, we can come up, removing the jump, up onto our feet for some heel taps. Or excuse me, calf raises. Let's go ahead and move into a 15-second rest. Next up, we have skaters. We're gonna move for the next 30 seconds, like so. Go ahead and join me. We're skating in the same place on our yoga mats, replicating a skating motion, keeping our head and our chest up, sending that leg back, and alternating as we switch sides. Last couple of seconds. Great job. Let's go ahead and take it down to the ground. Next up, we have inchworms. For this exercise, we're going to squat, and we're going to walk it out, high plank, and return. Let's go ahead and begin. Squat down, nice plank, and return. Inhale on your way down. Exhale on your way up. For this, if you need a variation, you can hold the high plank or simply focus on your squats. Last couple of seconds. Great job. We're gonna go ahead and take a 15-second rest. And next up, we have lizard lunges. Let's take it down to the ground. We're going to focus on a nice high plank to begin, and we're gonna bring our legs up, alternating sides, sending them towards the outside of our hands, focusing on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Focus on your core engagement. Keep your core nice and tight, and focus on breathing in and out with control. Last couple of seconds here. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we have mountain climbers. We're gonna return to that high plank, and we're going to bring in our left knee to our left elbow, and return. Switch sides, return. Breathe in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Focus on breathing with control. Keep your core engaged, your neck and spine neutral, and bring those knees to your elbows, keeping your booty nice and low. If you need a variation, hold that high plank, and that is it, my friends. Great job. That concludes today's workout. If you enjoyed this one, make sure you give this one a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.